Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. In today's session, I am going to show you how to use the confirmation pop-up features in FactoryTalk View Studio. Let's take a real example. If you're new on my YouTube channel, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for never miss industrial automation Rockwell platform on any videos. Let's take a real example. You have a motor or maybe wall that you want to start or open, but motor is part of a critical system and you want to operator to start it accidentally. You don't want to operator to start it accidentally. So before the start motor, we will show you before start the motor, you can show him a warning pop-up that's ask for confirmation. Let's create a button. Step 1. In step 1, create a button. So this is button. Drag and drop where you want to give pop-up in which screen. And here you can see its action, its style of button. So any button, any style you can select. Recess or this is 3D and recess and action. In action, but always remember in action you cannot use confirmation pop-up. Same means same confirmation pop-up you cannot use. So always remember you cannot use confirmation pop-up for toggle and set tag 1 on press and 0 on release, and also set tag 1 0 on press and 1 on release, and also in on run command. You can get pop-up, but you can show him pop-up, but this is different topic, so I will cover in next video. So let's see, set a tag. Here you need to select a tag. You will use to button motor button. So before start here, you need to select a tag. So click on 3 dot. You can select. You can see FactoryTalk View Studio online and click on online. So all tag you can see here. So previously I was created a logic for start a pump and logic was there. The logic is on this logic was button 1. Means when button 1 will press, then motor will 3 will start. It's normally small logic, it's not very small logic, but if you need to give command, so definitely you have a one tag. So you need to give it same tag which on which tag your motor is starting. So same tag you need to give. Here you can see button 1, click OK, and its confirmation and e-signature setting. So here you need to select required confirmation and click on configure. So here you can see here. Now scroll down and button properties window, you can confirmation settings section. You can see now you can see title bar. So you can write in title bar, for example, motor start confirmation. You can write motor start confirmation. Or if you want to change confirmation, so you can select from here, you can change confirmation from logic also. And next is window. Choose the window position where you want to the open pop-up choose the window position where you want to the pop-up to appear. Example, you need to open this pop-up on center of left, center of screen. You can see different center, top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, top center, center top. So it's, if you can choose according to your requirement, and this caption, and in caption you need to write example this default caption. If you want to change, so you can change. Example, you want, are you sure you want to start this button part of a critical situation? So directly here you can write these things. Then you can see your font you can change according to your requirement. Example, Cambria, and size example 16, bold. And one is very interesting topic, if one is very interesting thing, you want to add image or icon in the pop-up window, for example warning sign or motor symbol or any other sign, so you can give a symbol from here. Use image reference. From when you will click here, you can write, you can choose image. Here is very less image, but you can browse from here, add from file. When you will click add from file, so library will open automatically of Rockwell library. It is a library of Rockwell, so you can choose this library. Click on cancel and cancel. If you want, then you can use, otherwise no problem. Here bottom you can see OK and cancel. If you want OK and cancel, so you can OK and cancel select. If you want OK only, then OK. Yes, no, you can give yes or no. For the pop-up, pump pop-up is better yes or no, because 0 or 1, other is 0 1, because for the pump pop-up you can give yes or no. Click on OK and appearance. In appearance, you can see back style. Back style means transparent, gradient, and solid. Force color means color of text. Back color means back color of button. Pattern means pattern is different. Means pattern is not most important. And caption, you can write motor start. Font, you can choose font, which font you want. Example, Cambria. I'm choosing Cambria again because Cambria is my very favorite font. You can choose some different also, no problem. And down appearance, sorry, motor start. Down appearance, no need. Click on OK. You can see motor start. And same you want to different button for motor stop. Same tag, and same tag should be 0. And here what you need to change, motor start pop-up, and it should be stop. And here confirmation tag will change, text will be changed, stop from start to stop, and then click on OK button and OK. Save. Step 1 and 2 is completed. Step 3 is you need to test this is working or not. So if you not created runtime, so you need to create. If you don't know how to create runtime, so on this particular topic I was created a video how to create a runtime. So you need to visit on my YouTube channel runtime setting, and you can watch and you can do. So here you can see FTBit Studio. Click on FTBit Studio. So here you can see motor start, and here need to write motor stop. Sorry for that. It should be motor stop appearance, motor stop. So we will do that. You can see motor start and stop. So whenever you will click, so you can see here, are you sure you want to start motor? It's part of dot dot dot, because dot 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 it means we cannot show more than this. Here you can see title motor start confirmation. Are you sure you want to start this motor? It's part of a dot dot dot. It means this you need to reduce font size of confirmation. Sample 12. Okay. For stop also have appearance. Size 12. Okay. Save. Then need to check. Select. Motor start. You can see, are you sure you want to start this motor? Is part of critical system. Whenever you will click yes command, it will warning message ask a confirmation. Click OK to proceed or no to stop. If you click OK, the command will go to send to PLC and your motor will start. If you click no, the operation will be ignored to keeping the system safe. So if example you going to click yes, so what will happen? You can see here button energized, motor 3 start, and here also I was taking a background color, so here you can see green. Stop. So same, are you sure you want to stop the confirmation? You can see, are you sure you want to stop this motor? It's part of critical system. If you want to stop, then click on yes. You can see motor is stopped. Again, whenever you will click, so same pop-up will come. Are you sure you want to start this motor? It's part of critical situation, means operator will be understand before start, because sometime operator will consciously can start because they are running plant from example, they are running plant from past 5 years, so he know everything in SCADA and in process. So sometime they will click to start button and process or motor will start immediately. So when pop-up will come, so operator will understand, oh sorry, it is part of a critical situation. So what they can do, they can save, or they will conscious, means consciousness will activate of operator, and operator can save is operator can save system. Means in this condition operator will click no, so command will not go. So that's how you use the confirmation pop-up in FactoryTalk View Studio. It's a simple but very important feature, prevent a accidental action and keep your system safe, especially for critical instrument. If you if this tutorial is help you, please hit a like button and drop a question in your comment, and don't forget to subscribe KS Automation. So thanks for watching, keep learning, keep growing, keep earning, and don't forget, keep sharing, because it's you are going to help to someone.